क्या हुआ?
मुझे लगा क्या किसके साथ बोल रही है?
नहीं, मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ ना इसके लिए. Good morning guys, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my another vlog. I know फिर से inactive हो गई थी but trying to be on track really very soon. ये मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ but कभी नहीं हो पाता है. Anyways, today I'm vlogging and yes, this is my second vlog. I am actually going somewhere. If you have read the title, you must all already know about it. So there is this My Glam store which has newly opened, which is in Juhu, and invited me for a personalized visit. To this lockdown, this is going to be my first visit or event, and I'm so excited to go there. I'm going to take you guys along with me because itne din se I haven't made any video, and Instagram pe you guys have requested to do a day in my life video, but ऐसे कुछ day में होता ही नहीं है. But I thought कि ठीक है, आज जा ही रही हो तो let's do a vlog. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys along with me. First going to do my hair. My hair is not doing good lately, so I'm going to straighten it up and नीचे से थोड़ा सा curls. So this is how my natural hair looks like. I'm going to show you all. Yeah, so this is how my natural hair looks like, and now I'm going to straight it from itna tak I'll do my straightening, and नीचे से I'm going to curl it a little bit. So yeah, that's all I'm going to do, and then I'm quickly going to do the makeup. I have to leave by 11, like I have to reach there exactly at 1:30. So I have to leave by 11 because 11 बजे ट्रेन चालू होती है, at least for girls like ladies. So yeah, so if you don't know what My Glam is, so I am co-creating products with My Glam, and I am thrilled to be a part of it. It's all because of your support and your love. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because I make transition videos, fashion videos, lifestyle, everything which is relatable.
Yesterday we were only kids, could never fade away, running through the wind and pouring rain. Memories at the dark.
Finally, after 45 minutes, I have managed to do this much, and I have struggled a lot. I have burnt myself here and here a lot of time, but at least it looks much better than earlier, and I'm quite happy. But is that okay? Anyways, I'm going to quickly do my makeup, and it's almost 10:45. I have to leave by, like, I had to leave by 11, but I'm gonna make it 11:15 or 11:30. Let's do a makeup now.
Burning bright from long before. We don't talk anymore. What are we fighting for? I went my way, you went sideways. We were always running out of time. Don't say we didn't try.
So yeah, this is how my makeup looks like. It's quite subtle. I have just used concealer, setting powder, no foundation, blush and highlighter. That's it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys once I leave. Bye.
We could ever be the same together. We're not what we used to be. Don't say you wanted me. Don't say you wanted me. Don't say you wanted me. Seasons.
So starting off with My Glam Pose collection. So here they have included all of their My Glam Pose collection. Here they have all of their powder collection, wherein they have included HD setting powder, banana powder, highlighter, bronzer and blush. And then here we have the My Glam Pose collection matte HD lipsticks, and this is one of my favorite. This is in the shade dark brown, and I'll show it how it looks like exactly. This is how the shade looks like. It's such a beautiful dark brown, and here is a swatch for you guys. Coming to another favorite, here is the My Glam K Play collection, and these are their blush, their lipsticks. These are the newly launched sheet mask, and here again we have some lipsticks. So among the K Play collection, this has to be my favorite. This is the peach blush, and this is in the shade 03 Sweet Peach. If you follow me on my Instagram, you should know how much I love this blush. This is how it looks like, and here is the swatch. This is such a beautiful shade. It will suit to every skin tone. Then coming here we have the My Glam Lit collection, and these are their collection. Here we have My Glam Lit Radiant Matte Compact Powder. This is how it looks like. Then we have their Satin Matte Lipsticks. These are the lipstick. I'll swatch one of them for you. This is a mauve shade, kind of a shade which I really like. And then here we have all the lit liquid lipsticks, and these are so many, like they have so many shades included in this, and they are going to suit each and every skin tone. Then here we have their lip pencils which have a lot of shades. We have here the My Glam Lit Lip and Eyeshadow Sparkle, which I'm going to show it right now. This is in the shade Your Grace. This is how the swatch looks like. It is, you know, very sparkly. You can use this as a highlighter as well. So here we have the My Glam Keep It Glam collection, wherein you have some beautiful palettes, some magic potions, and I love this illuminator so much. Then we have some liquid highlighter, like this is a illuminating liquid highlighter. And then this is a newly recently launched product, which is the TLC Foundation Treat Love and Care, and it has so many skincare benefits. Then we have some more lipsticks over here. Then coming here to the Manish Malhotra collection, they have recently launched their skincare range, which has face pack, cleansing gel, night gel, and other more. Here we have eyeshadow palette and some eyeshadow sticks. And then here we have some metallic chalks. It comes in so many different shades, you can see. I have this one and really enjoy using this one. And then we have some metallic lipsticks, like these are some metallic lipstick. I'll swatch this one for you. This is how the metallic lipstick looks like, and here is the swatch. It's such a beautiful shade. And then here we have some nail prints, again some lipsticks and lipsticks. So basically they have a lot of lipsticks, so you have so many varieties to choose from. And these are the facial wipes, and again, as I said, these are their newly launched moisturizer gel. Then these are the sandalwood SPF 25 gel, and this is again a newly launched. So basically this is a spray sanitizer which smells amazing. I really like this one. Coming here we have the My Glam Shine On Beautiful. So these are all their nail pen collections, which I really like, and I have the shade, let me just show it to you all. Yeah, this one. I have the shade, this one, Wanderlust Matte Finish. I really enjoy using this. It gives such a matte and it dries out really very quickly. Coming to the next, it's My Glam Clean Beauty, and again these are their newly launched products. So basically these are their BB foundation stick, and this contains argan oil, and my shade is Hikari. I guess this is how it spells, and I love this. It glides over the skin very amazingly, and it gives an amazing, like basically it's a medium coverage foundation, but still I love it. And then here we have their Clean Beauty liquid liner, and I really love the granite shade. Yeah, this is the granite one. I'll swatch it for you. So this is how the granite shade looks like. It gives a very sparkly effect. You can even use this as an eyeshadow. I have recently used in one of my videos on my Instagram. I'm going to link it down below so you can check it out. Then here we have this Clean Beauty Cocoa Butter Lip and Cheek Pencil. French Rose shade is my favorite. Again, suitable for every dusky skin tone girl like me. On my Instagram, I have used this blush so many times. Moving forward, here we have a cute little space to have coffee and do our makeup. yeah, this is how my outfit. Oh, I literally forgot to show you my outfit. So I'm wearing this top. I got it from Thane station just for 150 rupees, and these are the high-waisted jeans from Forever 21. And then I'm wearing these shoes. One of my friends gifted it and I really love it. So yeah. And then here we have the experience wall. This is such a, look at that, like look at the props. That's a lit liquid matte lipstick. These are the K Play blush, and then My Glam Spot illuminating highlighter. Again, this is the jhula, we can say, like you can sit and swing on it. I really enjoy this. Okay, so you must be wondering why I'm showing you this. So basically this is the private room. I'll show you how it opens. You have to click it and it's open. It's so beautiful. Look at this, look at this. This is the private room wherein we can come here, sit here, create a content for you all. And this is such a beautiful room. Basically we can change the color from here. Then here we have a secret lab wherein we can come and co-create products with them. These are their products and we can come here and select whatever the product we want to launch next. And yeah, this is so amazing.
To be very honest, I've never came across any brand who give early access to all of their customer to try out all of their new products, and guess what? My Glam does, and it's amazing.
This is my favorite room and this is how it looks like. It's so beautiful, so colorful. Even this changes the, you know, color of the light. This is
I kept getting colder, breathing shade.
Then here we have the body care and skincare products. In body care they have, you know, baby safety wipes and then clean wipes, and these are the sanitizing wipes, and these are, you know, these are the sanitizer spray which kills the 99% germs. And this is the newly launched deo, plus it also cleans. So basically this is a deo as well as a sanitizer. And here we have the skincare products which has the foot cream, body lotion, hand cream, then some again body lotion, face wash. Yeah. Then here we have their brightening toner, cleanser, and then moisturizer. Also this is their you know, one of the best thing which has a rosehip oil and vitamin elixir. I really like this one. And then we have their moisturizer. So I really hope that you must have seen the whole tour of the store, and it's so Instagrammable and so aesthetic. It's so beautiful. Anytime you come here in Juhu, you should definitely visit the store. It's nearby. So yeah, I'm going to leave from here in some times and I don't know where else I'm going. I guess I'm going to meet one of my friend and then I'll get back home. And they have given me some goodies and I'll show you guys after I reach home. Also, I'm so thrilled to be a part of the My Glam XO Beauty Creator. Thank you so much, My Glam team, for inviting me, for having me here. And it's such an amazing opportunity to work with you. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. My video is going to be successful without having any stain on my clothes. Tell me if it's relatable.
You were climbing higher, you'd say memories at the door, burning bright from long before. We don't talk anymore. What are we fighting for? I went my way, you went somewhere.
ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं है।
यहाँ पे देख, तेरा इंस्टाग्राम लिंक डाल दूंगी या फिर तेरा फोटो इधर डाल दूंगी अपना दोनों का। चीज का ऐड कर रही है। तू सब इसमें मुंह क्यों छुपा रही है? लेकिन so she made this pizza and I don't know how it is. How it is? Is it good, bad? मौन व्रत है. Okay, so she is camera shy. Not camera shy. Actually ready नहीं है ना इसके लिए. Bye.
Don't say you wanted me.
guys, I've finally reached home and I've got freshen up and now I'm just sitting because subah se I'm just walking and it was a really good amazing day after so long. Why after so long is because इस lockdown के पहले I used to attend events like malls में वगैरह, like collaboration events, and after like let's just say 7 to 8 months finally बहुत महीने बाद experience हुआ ये चीज़ फिर से. So they were kind enough to give me some goodies which I'm going to show you. So the first thing they have given me is the MyGlam Pose. This is their HD bronzer duo. I do have quite few makeup products, but I don't have any bronzer or contouring product. So I'm so happy that they gave me this. So this is okay. This is my cat. Go Mau. 001 Cinnamon. I guess this is the shade. This is how the packaging looks like. I love this packaging. It's so small, it is so travel friendly, and you can carry it anywhere. And this is how the shade looks like. Okay, so it's a satin matte lipstick and this is what the shade looks like. And here is the swatch. It is kind of a rosy pink, kind of a, like coral pink kind of a shade, and it's very, you know, creamy and smoothie texture. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you have enjoyed this vlog, and I know I have been inactive on my YouTube channel for a really long time. Every time I promise but I never come, but this time I'm not going to promise because I know अगर मैं promise करूँगी वो नहीं हो पाएगा. So I don't want to promise. I'll just see if I can make some videos, or let me know if you want to see more such vlogs like a day in my life and all that. Like it is going to be a random vlog. There is not going to be anything special about it. So yeah, let me know if you want to see such kind of. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and make sure you like, comment, share this video, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. I am not going to promise. I will be consistent, hope so. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. And bye.
Don't say you wanted me.